Before we move forward, we must first go back. In the past, the 1960s space race was about whether only two countries, the US or the Soviet Union, could reach the stars first and return home. Today's space race has been democratized. Thanks to advances in technology, many countries are taking part. More than 100 lunar missions are planned between now and 2030, from countries all over the world. So, why on earth is the world rushing back to the moon? Because the moon we know today isn't the barren landscape we once believed it to be. NASA estimates that the moon's resources are worth hundreds of billions of dollars, calling it a lunar gold rush. It's rich in resources like rare earth metals and helium-3, a potential fuel for nuclear energy. Scientists estimate that there are 1 million to 2 million tons of helium-3 on the lunar surface alone, enough to sustainably power the Earth for over 10,000 years. Along with helium-3, the discovery of water on the moon in 2020 has set the stage for a worldwide space race. That's because water's components, hydrogen and oxygen, can be turned into powerful rocket fuel. But the value of the moon is not limited to its resources alone. Turning the moon into a refueling station would make it a vital space hub between Earth and other planets, serving as a launch pad for space exploration. One day, we may even launch rockets from the moon itself, taking advantage of its lower gravity to save energy and fuel. It's no surprise why we're headed back to the moon. But how will we get there? Currently, the world is developing technology that will make travel between Earth and the moon faster, safer, and easier. One example is NASA's Artemis program, which aims to build a new space station, the Lunar Gateway, on the moon. Over 30 countries, including Korea, are setting the norms for future space exploration as part of the Artemis program. Hanwha manufactured the main propulsion system for Korea's first space rocket, Nuri, and worked on Korea's first lunar orbiter, the Nuri's thruster for stabilizing its orbit through precise orbit control. The Nuri began orbiting the moon in 2022, making Korea the 7th country in the world to explore the moon. This year, Korea's government space agency, the Korea Aerospace Research Institute, partnered with Hanwha Aerospace to develop the KSLV-3, a rocket powered exclusively by Hanwha's technology. It will carry Korea's Lunar Explorer in 2032. Around the world, companies like Hanwha are ushering in a space economy led by the private sector. The moon is the next phase of space exploration, but more discoveries lie beyond. Advances in the space economy will continue and are sure to improve life on Earth.